Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you guys how to design your own logo in Microsoft Word. So I am using my personal logo as an example. So in Microsoft Word you can design simple logo with just simple shapes and features. Before we dive into the video, please do well to like and subscribe, and do well to share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Anything you don't understand, just tell me in the comment section. I'll do well to reply you. Let's dive into the video.